In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue many Windows 11 users encounter: a display that appears zoomed in. This can make everything feel cramped on your screen, and normal tasks become a bit of a hassle. But don't worry, we're going to get your screen back to normal in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to right-click anywhere on your desktop. This simple action brings up a variety of options, but what you're particularly interested in right now is the Display Settings option. Once you find it, click on that, and it will open a new window dedicated to the display settings of your computer. Now, in this settings window, you'll want to locate the section labeled Scale and Layout. This is a crucial section that helps manage how content is displayed on your screen, making sure everything looks right and is comfortably legible. Within this section, you'll see an option that simply reads Scale. This is where the magic happens. Take a closer look at the current scale value. If your display seems zoomed in, there's a good chance that this is set to a value higher than 100%. Perhaps it's at a 25%, 150%, or even higher depending on previous settings or any adjustments made by third-party applications. Setting this back to 100% is a sure way to bring everything back to normal, so your next step is to click on the drop-down menu under Scale. Here, look for the 100% value. Next to it, you'll typically see the word Recommended, indicating that this is the optimal setting for most users. Select this 100% option. By doing so, you're telling Windows 11 that you want the display to run at its normal size without any artificial scaling. After you select 100%, your display might temporarily flicker or change as it adjusts, and that's completely normal. Just give it a moment, and soon everything on your screen should appear much more proportionate and readable. If you're happy with how things look, you're all set. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix to restore your Windows 11 display to its proper size. If you ever find your screen zoomed in again, you now know precisely what to do. Remember, these display settings can be adjusted anytime, allowing you to find the most comfortable view for your workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.